Hi mabuhay, and today we will be asking random students inside this campus and know their experiences. So let's not wait any further and let's begin. As we explore the campus, we see the resilience and energy of our students. They are not only hardworking but also vibrant and dedicated, making the most of their college experience. Let's dive in.
Hi! May I interview you? May I know your course? Tourism Management. May I know your names?
My name is Che Alexei.
My name is Crystal Angelico Chige. Okay. Can I ask you, what are the advantages as a student here in UM Mindanao?
I guess the advantage for us tourism is that the facilities are nice, very accommodated when it comes to TESDA courses, especially in HM and TM, where it revolves around hospitality.
What are the struggles you have encountered here in the few months during your stay here? What are the struggles you have encountered here during the few months?
When it comes to memorization, it's very pressured.
Aside from that, probably just studies, just academics, and also the transportation.
Transportation.
Yes.
Excuse me, can I interview?
No. Alis kayo. Charot, pwede naman. Ano?
May I know your name?
You can call me Theo Margo, by the way.
Okay,
Ano natin?
Also, can I know your course?
I am a student under the course BSHM.
What are your struggle encountered here in UM?
Struggle encountered, maybe I can say na yung struggle ko lang is yung pakikisama. Kasi yung first few ko, parang di ako fit. Kasi my first thought is, ang talino nila. Ang galing nila. Parang ako lang yung ganun, ganyan. And that would be all.
Lastly, what is your experience here in UM?
So far, okay naman. Okay naman, like, parang lang, high school lang. Pero, ibang level lang ng pressure.
Thank you.
Hi po, good morning. May I ask your name first?
My name is Lloyd Stephen and... Tiro, nasa mo?
It's okay lang. May I know your name po?
My Lloyd Stephen po.
Nice.
My course is criminology.
Sir! Yes, sir!
But BS criminology.
Okay. Kuya, may I ask, what is your experience during here or this past few months here in the university?
Para sa akong experience sa akong course kay ang physical and mental, like nakayusay na magsabay tanan imo ang training tas sa academic pa nimo, like may struggle po kasi mo ang makaisip-isip po kasi na mag-shape na lang course. Mental block po sa.
What is the struggles during in your stay?
Siguro sa mga major dyan sa kasagaran, mga major like mga juries, law, tas security.
Last question, why did you choose University of Mindanao?
Ambot lang. Okay, siguro dagan nag-ingon na mas okay jud daw diri ka mag-graduate kung mo apply man kag company, kung base man gud sila sa background nimo. Kung asa po ka, siyempre ang pangutanon man dyan na sa company, kung asa ka nag-graduate, kung sa UM ba ka, kung sa UM ka, like, makaingon dyan sila lang, ay kani, kay, dili ni basta-basta ang UM makagraduate. Tinood man dyan, dili man dyan, based lang sa mga experience, based lang po sa mga kailan po na ako sa line eskwelahan.
So, thank you for answering our questions.
Say hi for our
Hi!
Thank you, kuya.
Thanks for joining us as we explore a day in the life of a student at our campus. We hope you enjoy learning about their experiences.
And that's all for today. Please leave a like and comment and also share this video to someone. Thank you so much and have a nice day.